Hi there, my name is Peter Vox and I am the director and principal teacher of Vox Singing Academy, which was established in 1993 here in beautiful Melbourne, Australia. Welcome to another episode of Ask Vox Singing Academy. If you like this channel, please click like and subscribe to keep up with all our cool videos. If you have any questions or comments, put them in the comments section below and I will get back to as many of them as I possibly can. And most importantly, if we can help you or someone that you know with their singing, we'd be absolutely honored. So please check out the links below in the description for more info. We have the Ultimate Online Singing Course, private singing lessons at our 6 Melbourne studios, and also online singing lessons 7 days a week, private online singing lessons 7 days a week all around the world. So check out the links below if we could help you out. Let's get stuck into the next question. Are face-to-face private singing lessons better than the Ultimate Online Singing Course? They are very different. Now I do have another video, which I'll put in the link in the descriptions below here, which gives you a very detailed description of the difference between face-to-face online singing lessons and the Ultimate Online Singing Course. So please check that out if you want more info. They are different, but you will get the same results if you put the work in. A big thing that you need to have if you're doing the Ultimate Online Singing Course or online singing lessons, you have to have good Wi-Fi connection. This will greatly increase the quality of your course streaming, specifically for the Ultimate Online Singing Course. So having good Wi-Fi is very, very important. It'd be good to have a good computer, desktop or phone and speakers so that you can see and clearly hear the teacher's instructions, my instructions on the Ultimate Online Singing Course. This will greatly improve the quality and the progress of your voice, but you have to put in the work, okay? You just can't subscribe and just sort of kick back and think there's a magic pill. There's not. The more that you put in, the more that you'll get out of the lessons, okay? So we guarantee singing results in just 3 weeks or your money back, but you have to practice for at least 5 days a week for a minimum of at least 20 minutes a day, at least 10 minutes of scales and then 10 minutes of singing. And if you're not seeing results after doing that and you're practicing the scales and following the course step by step diligently, we guarantee your money back. As I said, private singing lessons and the Ultimate Online Singing Course, they are different, but you will get the same results if you put the work in and diligently follow the course's instructions. We have 4 full courses: entry-level, intermediate, advanced and professional. We have also 17 short custom courses starting at $14.95 US. Amazing value because my lessons are $120 each. I am on all of the courses on the Ultimate Online Singing Course. Also have a female teachers giving instructions for the females when we're going up into the soprano range as well too on all of the videos. I hope that answers your question. Again, second most importantly, if we could help you out or someone that you know with their singing, please would be honored. Check out the links below in the description. But most importantly, be good to each other, enjoy your singing, live with passion, and I will see you on the next episode of Ask Vox Singing Academy. Peace and out.